it's Angelique. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see in the title down below, we are gonna be doing another makeup look. So bago tayo mag-proceed sa makeup look ko, and I just wanted to thank you muna, the Belle'a Cosmetics, for sending me these products. And ito siya guys. Na-open ko na siya kasi nakagawa na rin ako ng swatch party sa IGTV ko. And if you want to watch my swatch party, lalagay ko na sa description box yung IG account ko para mapanood niyo yung swatch party ko sa IGTV. So ito siya guys. May letter siya from Belle'a Cosmetics. And ayan yung laman niya guys. May soap bar, tints, and blush. And ito siya guys. First, ito yung soap bar nila. Yung Belle's Intensive Whitening. Actually, alam ko, dalawa sila. Yung isa is yung Koji. So, ito siya guys. Pink. And next, yung new release nila na blushes. Ito siya guys. Yung Bourbon and Merlot. And ito yung mga tints nila guys na pinadala nila sa akin. Actually, yung shades nito is 6. And kaso, yung napadala nila sa akin is only 4 shades. And na-double yung iba. Kasi ubusan daw sila ng formula. Pero it's okay. Kasi I'm thankful na rin naman sa lahat ng mga pinadala nila sa akin. At ito siya guys. Ito yung mga shades nila is Cinnamon, Blythe, Drunk, and Blush. Na-double yung Bite, tsaka Drunk, guys. Pero alam ko yung dalawa pa is Peach, and kasi nakalimutan ko niya, guys. Ayun yun, guys. So, ito na nga yung guys. If you want to check their products, guys, lalagay ko na lang sa description down below yung shop nila sa Shopee, and you can follow their IG account too. So, thank you, Belle, for this products. So, let's proceed now to the makeup look. And una is mag-spray muna ako na itong Fresh Skin Love Face Mist, Tomato Mist. You might try this guys kasi super ganda nito. It actually is my moisturizer too. Next is maglalagay na ako ng concealer. So, kung napapansin nyo is namumula yung under eyes ko. Napapanood ko lang siya. Lagyan ko siya guys ng red lipstick. So, napapanood ko lang siya sa mga hacks. And lalagyan siya ng concealer para hindi na mag-dark. Kasi ang dark na ng under eyes ko guys. Kakapuyan. So, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Mini Concealer in the shade 30 Honey. So, as you can see guys, ang dami ko na concealer kasi ang daming kailangan takpan sa mukha ko. Proceed na ako sa foundation. I'm gonna be using this Everbilena All Liquid Foundation in the shade Oriental. And I'm done with my foundation. Maglalagay naman ulit ako guys ng concealer to highlight my under eyes and etc. And I'm gonna be using this Lamuseland concealer in the shade Nature number 3. And maglalagay lang ako guys ng cream blush using the Belle'a Cosmetics in the shade Merlot. What I love about this cream brush guys is super blendable niya and super tumblable guys. And ang gaganda ng shade. And isa-set ko lang yung face ko guys using this Lameila Setting powder. And habang sineset ko yung face ko guys, lalagay muna ako ng kilay using this Blythe Perfect Brow Trio in the shade 211 Meteor, and I will be back. And tapos na ako magkilay guys, ibabrush ko lang itong powder ko and using this Maybelline Fit Smooth All-in-One powder. And mag-eyeshadow na ako guys. Using this Morphe Moisturize eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna proceed to my eyeliner using this Beauty Glazed eyeliner. And maglalagay ako ng falsies and I will be back. And nakapaglagay na ako ng falsies guys, magpo-contour na ako using this BB Advanced Contour Palette. Apply ulit ako ng blush using this Beauty Glaze. Ayoko mag-highlighter, mag-spray ulit ako. Tomato paste. lipstick, and I'm going to use again Belle'a Cosmetics, this matte tint in the shade Cinnamon. And I think I'm done. Nag-ayos lang ako ng konti, guys, and I will be back. So that's it all for today, guys. I hope you like this look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe. Turn on the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next video upload ko. So, don't forget to follow Belle'a Cosmetics IG account and their Shopee account. So, I just wanted to thank you again, Belle'a Cosmetics, for giving me the products that I use. So, thank you guys for watching and hope you like this video.